Set up in 1998, located in Chaozhou, new ceramic capital of China, Guangdong Hosen 28 Industrial Camp Limited has 20 years professional ceramic tableware manufacturer with a 30,000 square meters production area. It has excellent manufacture, skillful team, high production technology, strict modern management. With a combination of traditional crafts and modern technology, we provide exquisite products to meet different customers' needs. With 4 kilns burning lots of porcelain dinnerware, our factory can produce 80 million pieces high-quality Cancerine ceramics. Large output, high quality, complete varieties, and excellent craftsmanship are our trades, passing the International Authoritative Quality Inspection and at the same time won the title of China Famous Brand in the National Quality Inspection Qualified Product Quality Assured Product